In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts in Microsoft Outlook, a guide tailored for 2025. Importing your contacts into Microsoft Outlook can streamline your communication and make managing your email contacts a breeze. Let's dive in and walk through this process together. First, we'll start by navigating to the Outlook web platform. Open your preferred web browser and visit the official Microsoft Outlook site by typing in either https outlook.office.com or https outlook.com. Once there, proceed to log in using your existing account credentials. This will allow you to access your Outlook dashboard and personal settings. Once logged in, the next step is to head over to People. To do this, you'll need to locate the app launcher. This is typically situated in the top left corner of your Outlook interface. It may look like either three horizontal lines or a grid icon. Click on the app launcher, and from the drop-down menu, select People. Moving on, it's time to manage your contacts and initiate the import. Look towards the toolbar at the top of your screen and click on the Manage option. This should present you with a submenu. Here, you'll want to choose Import Contacts. Now, you're ready to upload your contact list file. Most users typically have their contacts compiled into a CSV file format, often exported from other platforms like Gmail or iCloud. Click on Browse within the Import Contacts menu, which will open a file selection window. From there, select your CSV file containing the contacts you wish to add. Once your file is selected, the next step is to click on the Import button. This will commence the upload and integration of your contacts into the Outlook system. The process is designed to be swift. Outlook will efficiently upload and integrate your contacts almost instantly. And there you have it. With these steps, importing contacts into Microsoft Outlook is a streamlined process that saves you time and keeps your contacts organized and accessible. This process not only helps in managing professional connections, but also ensures that personal contacts are just a click away, right at your fingertips on Outlook. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need a refresher. Thank you for following along in this guide. If you found it helpful, stay tuned for more tips and guides to help you make the most of Outlook and your digital computing experience.